Hello, everybody. This is Stephanie. How is everybody today? Happy New Year! It is January the 2nd, and I have China mail in today. However, I did get it the 31st, so I'm late. I'm sorry. It's just been crazy the last couple days with lives, with New Year's, with all that good stuff. However, I didn't do anything, but that's fine because I had the day off, so I just diamond paint, enjoyed lives with everybody, and just kind of relaxed. I mean, that's what you're supposed to do, right? So anyway, I know who this is from. This is from, well, I'll tell you that when I opened it. Wow, okay, it's Wednesday. I'm sorry. So, let's get right into it. I'm excited. Okay. Well, I mean, who isn't excited to open, China mail? I mean, seriously. But anyway, this is for my best friend. And, oh, that was a little close. Pay attention to what you're doing, Steph. Okay. So, I hope it is in here, and you'll understand. Yay, it is in here. Okay. If you remember my unboxing of the... Okay, back up. This is from the Realshining Official Store. I did an unboxing, I don't know when, a while ago. It was the cute little dragon with the flower, that big one, and that was absolutely gorgeous. When I did inventory, I was short of a drill, really, of a bag of drills. And I contacted the seller, and she told me that she would absolutely send me the missing drills. She said, however, it would be easier to send me it with an order if I had an order. And I'm like, oh, well, no, I don't have an order, but let me see what you got. I mean, hello. So I looked, and here they had a cute dolphin. So anyway, but yay! Actually, they sent me more than what I needed. So I told her what I needed: 3 bags of drills, and I only got 2. But it looks like they might have sent me 3 bags. I mean, that goes above and beyond. Oh wow, they sent me more than enough. Talk about customer service. I mean, sent me way above and beyond. So yay, that's awesome. That is fantastic. All right, well now I just got to remember to put that in with that kit. Okay, well now that I opened this kit, so green boat. Oh, now I'm all flustered. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, green boat with opening, tweezers, pink pen. I'm just so excited. Wax and biggies. Okay. Oh, let's put the boat back in here. Okay, let's get the image out. Sorry, patience with the crinkling. All right. I want to show you the picture. Wow, lots of blues, which doesn't surprise me. I will show you the picture and you will understand why. But look at all those pretty blues. So pretty. I know, no white and no black. Shocker, right? All right, and here is the image. Ooh, there we go. Look how pretty that is. And like, I love wolves, she loves dolphins. So yeah, she is going to flip. I mean, you can even see a dolphin in the sky. How cool is that? It's a 30 by 40, so I hope it'll be cute. Ooh, there's even dolphins right here too. Oh my gosh, what is up with my camera? Okay. There's even dolphins down here. I'm sorry. I got so excited. Okay. I'm pretty sure that probably maybe won't show up. But we'll see. All right, let's take a look at this canvas. And they taped it in 3 spots. But Emily was awesome to visit with. I mean, she messaged me back ASAP when I emailed her. But it helped that I messaged her at night, because I'm sure it was during the day maybe for them. I guess I'm not sure. Ooh. All right, one more. All right. Move the scissors. And it was on a foam roller. And it is pretty tight. All right. All right. I know some people just, we're gonna try something different and see if it works. I know some people, and it is all in one strip, which I like, because I've been ripping the covers lately. I don't like that. Let's see. Heath wants to come up. I've seen everything Gwenny do this. Wow, this is really on there really good. So that, I think, means good, right? Alright, well, I can see one dolphin. And so far, so good. I mean, just some rivers, but that's alright. I'll take rivers any day. That is just fine. Oh my goodness. I need some strength. Oh. I wonder what that is. Alright. Well, since I got it this far, let's see how it looks. Yep, you can see the dolphin right there. And then, yeah, you can see it in the sky. Oh, I got my first pucker, guys. Oh, that's depressing. Yep. You can see it in the back. I've never gotten a pucker yet. Aww. Well, shoot. Alright. I don't know if those are fixable. Does anybody have any tips for those? If you do, can you leave comments below? I would greatly appreciate it. I don't know if those are fixable. But it is tiny. I don't know. Maybe that would be my saving grace. Oh, okay, so let's go. Well, I think that was, yeah, just, I mean, you can definitely tell. I've already showed you that. I'm sorry, guys. All right. All right. I suppose it's, we always have to get our furs, don't we? I've been so lucky in all my canvases. and all the companies that I've bought in. So I can't suppose it was only a matter of time. I don't know how they get it. I don't understand that whole point. I know Donnie sure has gotten a lot of them lately on her canvases. I know everything Gwenny's gotten them. But yeah, and I think that's just a river. Or that might just, yeah. Those are just rivers. So there's the bottom. So yeah. But overall, I mean, really good canvas except for that pucker. Darn it. Alright, so this is a 30 by 40. Oh, and it is a square. And this was $13.70. And I ordered it on December 10th. They shipped it on the 14th, and like I said, I got it on the 31st. And then, so yeah, I mean, I don't know. Alright, so besides that, how many colors, I put this away, didn't I? How many colors are there in here? Actually, there are quite a few. And it looks like somebody did check them because they're all marked. 35 colors. Wow. That's awesome. And it looks like the most I have is 13 bags of 820. Ooh, which is this color? Oh, that's gorgeous. Ooh, sorry about that. So yeah, this one of course will have lots of blues. Yeah. No 310s. No 9. Oh no, there is 939s. One bag. That's awesome. So yeah. And I did promise you guys the last video that my next video I would do a giveaway for reaching 350 subscribers. So thank you so very much to the bottom of my heart. I just can't even imagine that I would even reach 350, and now I just checked it today. I'm at 393. My channel has just blown to proportions I never thought it would. So thank you so very much for enjoying my channel. I've enjoyed each and every one of you who have come to my lives, who have commented on my channel. So thank you so very much. And I will show you what I am giving away. It is not much, so I am sorry. But to try and figure out what I am giving away is quite difficult. So, like I said in my unboxing, since I already have a pink one, I figured I would give away the purple one. It was from my DIY moon shop, and it is the purple unicorn. It is really cute. If I didn't have the pink one, I would definitely keep this one. But you get one. So, surprise! And it does have a cover. So, oh my goodness, there we go. So it covers. And if you want to, you can also have the white big boat, because I already have one. So you can have one, because I don't need two. So you also can have that, and you also can have a lockable. These are awesome. I just kitted up a kit. They hold a crap load of beads. I was so surprised at how much they hold. So, I don't know if you've seen them, so I will show you. Well, if I can get one out. Oh yeah. Let's figure this out. There we go. Jeez Louise. So here's one. And all you do is, there is a lever, or a push, however you want to say it. You just push on it, and you open one up. And then they all lock. So no matter how much you lift, try and open up, it won't open. So all the other ones lock. And this one just stays open. And then it locks. So yeah, so they hold, as you can see, they are pretty big. They can hold a lot. I've already said that. I'm sorry. But they can. So yeah. And what's also nice, comes in this case, and you can print out a picture and put it right here. This piece of paper comes out. So you can tape your picture on it. So yeah. So this will also come with it. And this will also come with is a diamond painting. It is from the Paint with Diamonds. I did do an unboxing of it, and everything's fine. The canvas turned out great. It is a 30 by 40, and they called it soft illumination, and it is absolutely gorgeous. So yes, I will be buying this again, because I definitely want to do it, but I have so many right now that, yeah, I won't miss this one. So, I mean, the colors are gorgeous. So, yeah. There are 30 colors. In case you have not seen my unboxing, you can go ahead and go watch it. It's one of my early ones, so FYI. If I know how to do that little corner thingy, I would do it. I will learn how to do that. I will get there. I promise you guys. I promise I will do better. Yeah. And so anyway. So yeah. So that is what I am giving away. And in order to get these, I have a question for you. I need some help. And like I said, my channel has blown to proportions that I never thought it would. And instead of using my personal first name and last name, I need to come up with a different channel name. We have talked in a couple of my lives of different names. And I need help. I need you guys to help me pick out a name. So can you pretty please help me pick out a name? So I don't know which one to pick, so I am asking for your help. So here is choice number 1. Are you listening? Are you ready? Okay, number 1, Wolfpack Diamond Painting by Steph. Okay. Number 2, Diamond Painting by Stephanie. Number 3, Sparkly Diamond Painting by Steph. Or sparkling, I don't know. Something along that line. So yeah, so those 3 choices. And if you've been to my channel and watched my videos, you know why we have picked Wolfpack. So yeah. So anyway, so I just absolutely want to thank you from the bottom of my heart of watching my videos, my unboxings, and I hope my next live I do, it sounds like most often will be Thursdays. That seems like most people don't have a live Thursday night, so that maybe my nights I will be doing lives. So look out for that. So yeah, I think that's all I have for you guys tonight. So I hope you all have a great evening and Happy New Year. I hope everybody had a great time and stayed warm and safe. And until next time, hope you all have a great day. Thank you so very much from the bottom of my heart. Talk to you later. Bye.